MEP Infrastructure. They've won a sizable order from NHAI to the tune of about 1,182 crore rupees. So let's welcome on board Jayant Mhaiskar, the Chairman and MD at MEP. Jayant, hi, morning. Tell us a little bit more about this order. What's the timeline like? When would the monies from the order actually reflect on your books? And what would it take your order book to, total one?
Good morning. MEP Infrastructure in joint venture with Longji Road and Bridge has been declared as a successful bidder and also has received the LOA for this particular project. This particular project in line is 8-laning of the Vadpe-Thane section on the National Highway 3, which is a 23-kilometer stretch where 8-laning of the existing highway will be done. The construction activity should begin in the Q3 of this, I would say, calendar year. The total cash flows from this project will flow in two parts. One is the EPC business, which will take off from third quarter for this particular project, as well as the annuities will kick in post COD, which is 2.5 years from the appointed date, which is expected in the Q3. With this particular order, the total order book of the company now swells to close to around 8,000 odd crores under the hybrid annuity model, where the company is currently pursuing 10 projects, 6 of which are in construction phase. 4 financial closures will be achieved in the Q3.
Right. So, Jayant, how does this really work in terms of the returns you're hoping to generate from this project? Given the nature of the win, it's an EPC come bought model combined together under this hybrid annuity model. So, what is the kind of annuity revenues that you're hoping to earn from this project execution? And over what period of time?
As far as the margins are concerned, typically the margins for EPC on this kind of, I would say, model is between 12 to 14% on the margin side. Also, the annuities will flow in post the construction is completed, which is prefixed as per the concession agreement, which is bank rate plus 3%. Over and above, the company also would receive O&M payment against the expenditure to be done over the period of 15 years. Post COD, so the total project span is 2.5 years of construction and 15 years of annuity thereafter.
What is the annuity revenue? If you could just, I missed that.
Yeah, the total annuity is what the company would be receiving, including this particular project for the 10 projects, would be roughly around 9 to 10,000 crores over a period of 15 years post COD of each of those projects.
Okay. All right, Jen, thanks very much for taking out the time to speak with us and congratulations on this order win under the new, more well-propagated model of hybrid annuity projects. This is perhaps a good order win that may add revenue as well as profits to the company's business. MEP Infra will be in focus on the back of this hybrid annuity project win.